Hello everyone. The former ANC Secretary General Ace Magashule yesterday urged supporters during his party manifesto launch to vote thieves out of the power during the general election on May 29. The leader of the African Congress for Transformation also told his supporters to vote for the Umkhonto we Sizwe party led by the former President Jacob Zuma in the provinces where his party is not on the ballot paper. He said prophets of doom have been spreading propaganda that we wouldn't be contesting elections as we aren't in the ballot papers. That's a pure lie. We are in the ballot papers for national and some provinces. In provinces like KwaZulu-Natal, where we are not on the provincial ballot paper, please vote for Umkhonto we Sizwe party. Vote those thieves who are calling us thieves out of the power and restore your dignity. Magashule broke into his signature song Mthengisi Sell Out and was joined by religious leaders, traditional leaders, and thousands of people who filled Pastor Musa Zondo's Rivers of Living Waters ministries in Sedibeng, Everton, south of Johannesburg. Magashule told the Sunday World that it was just a business transaction. We are looking for a place around which we could launch our manifesto, but we couldn't find any, but Bishop Zondo rented out his church to us. We didn't get it for free. He was also worried about the Umkhonto we Sizwe members, what they were going to say, but in the end, we agreed that it was a business transaction and no favors. During the manifesto launch, Magashule said the governing party, ANC, has failed to make a difference in the lives of ordinary South Africans, and said our people still live in squalor, subjected to poverty 30 years into our democratic dispensation. Our people are homeless, rootless, jobless, and landless. Freedom fighters of yesteryear aren't going to make your lives better because they are directors of multinationals and they only care about themselves and their families, and they only need your vote while they continue living large. He promised that his party will make education the priority and return the land to its original people. He said there's no Dintswalo. There are people who have given up hope because they couldn't find a job since 1994. Let's make 2024 a year of hope and dignity. We must return the land to its people because without land, we don't have our wealth and dignity. We want to nationalize the South African Reserve Bank so we can create wealth for us people and stop privatization of state-owned entities. Magashule promised his supporters that if they vote in numbers, they can reclaim Free State Province from ANC and turn the tide around. Several councillors are going to resign from the Free State provincial government within the next few weeks and join ACT. We are going to reclaim the Free State. He quoted the late South African Communist Party leader Chris Hani, who said, "What I fear is that the liberators emerge as elitists who drive around in Mercedes Benzes and use the resources of the country to live in palaces and gather riches." Before leaving the stage, Magashule broke into a new song, Siyaya Epitoli, We Are Going to Pretoria, and promised his supporters that with their vote, his party could go to Pretoria and be part of the new government after May 29 elections. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.